Hello dear ARITHMETIC friends. Today we are going to study the length units of the International System of Units. That means that the meter is the main unit, and after that we are going to have multiples and sub-multiples. Let's see how to convert from one to another. First of all, we have to say that the meter is very, very important here, the main unit of this system. To the right, we're going to have the sub-multiples. Here we have the sub-multiples of meter. That means quantities that are smaller than the meter. And to the left, we are going to have the multiples of the meter. Quantities that are higher than the meter. Now, we have to say that here we have the decimeter, centimeter, millimeter, tenths of millimeter, hundredths of millimeter, and microns. That means that if you divide 1 millimeter in 1,000 parts, you are going to have a micron. And why I'm telling it to you? Because in industry, you are going to use tenths and hundredths and microns. But here, it is not official. This kind of abbreviation is not official, but I have to say it. And here, you have in multiples, quantities that are higher than meters, the decameter, hectometer, and kilometer. After that, you could have the myriameter, and if you have 1,000 kilometers, you have the megameters. And 1,000 of megas is the gigas, and 1,000 of gigas, the teras, 1,000 of teras, the exas, etc. Let's do some exercises. If you have 523 centimeters and you want it in meters, well, first of all, you have to find the decimal point. If you don't know where the decimal point is, you have it at the end of the number. So, if you have find the decimal point, you are going to find the abbreviation here, centimeters, and at the end of the centimeters you put the decimal point, and here you see that you have to the left 1325, so you write 325. And now you want to get meters, so you erase the decimal point and you put it where the meter abbreviation ends. Here. So that is 5.23 meters. After that, another exercise. If you want to convert 27 kilometers to decimeters. So, if you don't see the decimal point, you write it at the end of the number. But here it is written kilometers. So, at the end of kilometers, you put that decimal point. You see that to the left you have 17 and 12. So you write 7 and 2. No problem if you go out of the squares. It is the same to the right. No problem if you are out of the table. And after that, you want to get decimeters. So you erase the decimal point and you put it at the end of the abbreviation of decimeters. Decimeters, here. And you fill it with zeros. Oh my God, excellent. You fill it with zeros. And the answer is 270,000 decimeters. Now, another exercise. You want to convert 8.325 decameters to microns. Well, you see that the decimal point is here, so you find the decameters abbreviation and you put the decimal point at the end of the decameters abbreviation. So decameters, the decimal point, and you see here that you have 1/8 to the left of the decimal point and 325 to the right. Now you want to get microns. So you erase the decimal point from here and you put it at the end of the microns abbreviation. And you fill with zeros. Now the answer is 83,250,000. That is the letter to use. And finally, we are going to convert 73.8 millimeters to hectometers. So you find millimeters, you put the decimal point at the end of the abbreviation of millimeters, and you see that to the left you have 1.3 and 1.7. To the right, 1.8. And you want to get hectometers. So you erase the decimal point from here and you pass it to the end of hectometers. And you fill it with zeros. So the answer is 0.000738. What? Hectometers. Very easy, dear friends. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time.